Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Brawl Stars with a second account here on your phone. So first of all, here as you can see I have the game opened on my phone. Now you want to go here to the three horizontal lines at the top right, tap on them, and then tap on settings, the first option. Now you need to make sure that you are signed in successfully with your Supercell ID, which is shown in the last option here at the bottom. I have my Supercell ID checked in. Now what you want to do is to tap on your Supercell ID and then here tap on the gear icon here at the top left and then scroll a bit and tap on logout. Okay, let's log out here. Now it'll start the game here from beginning. Now you want to tap on play without at the bottom. It's gonna load up the game. Now you need to go through the initial tutorial at first, same as you did when you first started playing the game. Now after you've completed the initial walkthrough, here I need to enter my name. Okay. Now confirm my age, let's say I'm 20, confirm. And you need to play a game at first. And now you want the game, tap on exit here at the bottom right. And now you need to tap on the three horizontal lines once again at the top right. And then tap on settings. And then at the bottom, tap on Supercell ID. Okay, next, 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 next once again. Now get started. And now you need to click on create a new ID. Now, of course, you do have an old Supercell ID. However, we want to create a new one. So tap on create a new ID. Okay, and then continue. Now you want to enter your email and then tap on create. Now all you need to do is to open your inbox and then copy the verification code that is sent to your inbox and then paste it right here and then tap on submit. Now you need to enter a player ID or it's generated for you. Tap on continue or change it if you want to. Now choose an avatar. Okay, continue. And here you go, your new Supercell account is now created. Now you can play Brawl Stars with a second account.